hello, adab, namaste. I am Santanika and I make videos on fashion, nutrition and lifestyle. So today I will be sharing with you my thoughts on Insight Cosmetics. जैसा कि आप सब जानते हो, Insight एक बहुत ही affordable brand है और क्या इतने affordable होते हुए भी वो अच्छे products deliver कर पाता है या नहीं, वो हम लोग देखेंगे during the video. So in case you're interested for mini reviews and things that it has to offer, the affordability, the accessibility, क्या है नहीं है, then please keep on watching.
I have gone ahead and I used the Insight Cosmetics 3-in-1 primer. It really gives a great canvas to start your makeup with. It definitely fills your pores and gives you a very good, start for the foundation and concealer which we will be using ahead. A must have for all the people who are a beginner. Next, I have used this Insight Cosmetics Ultra Thin Second Skin Foundation. Guys, this is a must have for people who are looking for an everyday foundation, who look for something that they can use on an everyday basis, yet do not want it to be a very heavy duty one or something that looks, cakey or something that looks very heavy duty. It's definitely a must have for people who are looking for an easy to go, option. Also, I feel that the only disadvantage of using this is the pump for this one was not good. I don't know whether it was just for me or all of them have a similar, problem, but definitely I did not like the pump of it and I had a very difficult time taking out the foundation from it. It was not good experience. Next, I have gone ahead and used this Insight Cosmetics concealer. I will say, guys, I have loved the concealer so much. Firstly, the packaging looks very much similar to Flower Beauty and the coverage is really good on an everyday basis. Again, it's not a very heavy duty concealer. It's not going to serve the purpose if you are wanting it for like heavy makeups or for bridal looks. No, it's not going to be, that useful. Maybe for an everyday basis, maybe for an everyday look, it's definitely ideal and it's definitely is going to serve your purpose, but not for a long term purpose. For a bridal look or something like that, it's definitely not ideal. It blends very easily, as you can see. It blended very easily and it did not give me any hard time. And also I must say that the packaging was quite sturdy. Like for 110 rupees, I was actually shocked to see the look of it. Even the applicator was very easy to use. Unlike the foundation's tube, which was really difficult to use, this one was very easy. I will say I have nothing bad to say about this concealer and I'll say I loved it. Next, I've used this contour stick. Now, I couldn't find any, powder contour. If there is any, then please let me know in the comment section. I couldn't find. Again, this one I think was in coffee shade. Again, it was very easy to blend, and with the brush I did have a little bit difficult time, like using the brush. It was not really blending easily. I had to do it twice and thrice to make it work. But if I changed the brush, from the brush, if I moved ahead and used this blender or the beauty blender that we have, I think that was quite easy. But with the brush it was really difficult. As you can see also in the video, I had a really tough time. But with the blender, I think it just seemed very easy and it glided very easily. For an everyday basis, I will not really suggest something like this because it will give you a tough time to blend if you don't have a beauty blender or you don't have great makeup skills, because it does take some time to blend. Opposed from this, you can definitely try powders if you are something who is a beginner, but this would be good only for people who are advanced level and people who actually know how to do it. Otherwise, this contour stick is going to give you a tough time. But I think opposite to this stick, only in the same stick you also have highlighter, which I have gone ahead and used in the later part of my video. That also is equally great. I feel the highlighter and contour is really good for people who have set their hands in it and want to try it. Next, since I didn't have a blush, I used this matte lipstick only to apply it as a blush. Now, since it's a matte lipstick, I knew that it's going to give me a tough time blending, which again makes total sense to me because end of the day that I'm using a matte lipstick, so I don't have an issue with it. But in case there's any blush that's available from Insight, please let me know because I have no idea whether there is a blush available. So I've used the same lipstick and I've tried to again blend it. It is definitely a lovely lipstick. I love the shade and it blends also quite easily, though since it's a matte lipstick it did take me a lot more time otherwise but I think it really glided on easily, and it kind of was not as difficult as other matte lipsticks are. It's quite easy to work with, and I had a good experience both as a lipstick and as a blush. As you can see, I've applied it to both the apples of my cheeks and also to the nose to give a nice blushed look, which looks really pretty. I feel it's really looking pretty on me, and it's a very cheap lipstick. Next, I've used this ultra matte lipstick, which also stays for 72 hours, and it also claims that it is vegan. Now this also glides on very easily, and I absolutely love the color. It's so beautiful, and it can stay up to 6 hours without touch up. I have never let it stay for 72 hours for obvious reasons. I mean, I have to sleep and I have to remove the makeup. So yeah, apart from it, 6-7 hours I've stayed. It's great. Next, I've used this highlighter for just 89 rupees. Trust me guys, it's one of the best highlighters that I've used so far. It's not glittery, it's not chalky or anything. It glides very easily, gives a firm finish, and it looks very pretty on anybody. So I have used the Angelic one, but you can use any highlighter from this range. Inside has a great highlighter range to offer. All in all, I think I had a great experience using Inside.
Also, in case if you found this video informative and useful, don't forget to give it a one big thumbs up, and also to subscribe to my channel for more such videos. ये बिल्कुल free है, और अगर क्या आप next देखना चाहते हो, please उसको comment down कर दीजिएगा, तो मैं उनको reference लेके definitely उन पे videos बनाऊंगी. With that, thank you guys.